guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really cute little DIY for you. My brother-in-law bought a new house and he asked me to fix a few things for his bathroom, so I said sure, I'd love to. So let me show you what I'm going to make him. I went to Dollar Tree and I just picked up some of this floral foam, and I got the white, they just didn't have any green. And then I picked up some of these rocks that they have there at Dollar Tree, and I love those colors. And then I went to Walmart. Well, I already had this that I've been using for a long time. I got this burlap at Walmart, and you get a big bunch of it, and it's in the wedding section. And then I had this jute that I've had a long time from Walmart as well. And then I probably will use this folk art metallic chocolate brown that I've used so many times. And then I just had this left over that I bought at Old Time Pottery, and it was $3.99. It was when I was decorating my lantern for Easter. And then I have some of this left over from that same project. And then I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it was $1.99, and it's just one of these little appliques, and I think it will add a nice touch, and you're gonna need a glue gun. So let's get started. The first thing, let me push this down. Okay, the first thing that I did was I just laid this out, and then you can either wrap the bottom with it or you can put felt on the bottom, but I'm not going to put anything on mine. And I just went around to see how far I would have to cut it off and cut that off. But it's so simple, and I've done this many times here on my channel. Okay, so all you need to do is just glue this down, and I wanted it flush at the bottom and relatively flush at the top, okay? So what we're going to do is just wrap it because I don't want to see any white at the bottom. Definitely, I don't want to see any white. So we're just going to pull this taut, put us a liberal amount of glue right down through here. And just pull this really taut, and then press this down. And like I've said many times, my mother put me onto using these, and you don't burn yourself. It's a really good idea. Okay, then what we're going to do is wrap it back on itself. Just pull it really taut. And it still has a little bit of give, so you can make sure you get it just like you want it. And then we're just going to put this right down through here. It couldn't be any easier, but this is going to give us a really nice look. And I wanted something that looked masculine but nice. He isn't married, so I wanted something that would just look really nice. So that's what we have. That's going to be our container. And you can see it was very easy to make. Okay, now I'm just going to take this and cut this off. Cut these off. But I think this will give him a nice look in his bathroom, but yet it'll still have that masculine look, but yet it'll be really pretty. And I'm just gonna, I love greenery, so I'm just gonna start sticking this in here. You can just do so many things, and greenery, I think, makes everything look beautiful. I love greenery. You really can't go wrong with it. Okay, then I'm going to take a little bit of this for a little bit of interest. It's a different color, and just stick this in here. And I'm not worried if I don't get all the top done, because I'm going to cover that, and it's not going to matter at all. I just want it to look really, really pretty. And I think that is really pretty so far, okay? Now what we're gonna do to hide this, because I really don't have much greenery and he doesn't have a lot of space, so I don't wanna overwhelm his space. So I'm just gonna open this up right here, and I'm just gonna take some glue and just start sticking these little stones in here. So I know you know what I'm doing, so what I'm gonna do for time purposes is go around and put this all over the inside, and then I'll be right back. Okay, and as you can see, this is what we have, and I think it is it's elegant but simple, okay? But I'm not through with it. What I wanna do is add some jute right around the top, and I think right around the bottom. And I'm gonna turn it upside down and start putting this jute along the very top of it, just to try to give it a little bit more interest. Just gonna put that along the top. And just kind of wrap it around. I think this is going to give him a really nice look. I would even like this. I mean, I think it's very, very pretty. And then when we get it right to here, we're just going to cut it and just glue it down. Okay, and I think that added so much to it. Now what I'm going to do is do the same thing on the bottom. So for time purposes, I'll go ahead and do the bottom, and then I'll be right back because we're not finished yet. Okay, and here this is. I think that added so much. It just elevated it and made it look so much more custom and expensive. I really love how this is turning out. Okay, now what we're going to do is take this little medallion and we're going to paint it and then just put it right on the front. I think it's going to make it really look nice. And I don't want to do a lot. I'm just going to put a little bit on there because I really am liking, I just want something that's going to give it a little bit of contrast. So we're just going to dry brush it, unless I get in here and see that I'm liking it a lot darker. We'll see. And then I'm just going to start brushing it down, and it's going to pick up all of those crevices. They're just going to pop, and it's just going to look old and worn. And you can see that's what it's looking like. Okay, and this is what we have. I think that is gorgeous, okay? If you would see this out at like TJ Maxx or something, you would pay dear for that. Okay, it just depends which way do I like how it looks. Do I want it that way, or do I want it up this way? I think I'm going to put it this way. I think I really like it better like this, and we are almost done. Then all you have to do is just put a lot of hot glue on here. Now you could always use the E6000. I don't think I will. I think this will be enough to hold this. I don't think it's going to cause me any problems at all. Now make sure you have your front, and then try your best to get this centered and straight, and then just press down. And this is what we have. It is adorable. I love it. It is so pretty. It's just so custom looking. And if you would see this out at TJ Maxx or Hobby Lobby, you would pay a lot for this. So I just wanted to give him something that was pretty but masculine. But like I said, I would love this. So even though it's not for me, I'll go ahead and put it in my bathroom so you can get a feel for what it will look like, and then I'll be right back. Okay, here it is setting in my bathroom. I think he's gonna love it. It is just so pretty. I think it will add to any bathroom. It would even be beautiful in a kitchen. It really would. You could do so much with this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.